Hello, everyone. I'm Erin Kissling, the Director of Strategic E-commerce Partnerships here at Vertex. And I'm really excited to bring you a new video series where we will cover tax topics for the retail and e-commerce space in just a few minutes. Today, I want to talk to you about an e-commerce topic that shouldn't be a surprise to anyone, really around how the rise of online marketplace has impacted the sales tax landscape. While the online marketplace was busy, we saw a global increase in online purchases while people and businesses found themselves working from home during the pandemic. This shift in e-commerce momentum was felt greatly as many retail companies not only shifted their operating model, but had to almost reinvent their tax processes to adjust for tax rate changes, cross-border commerce compliance, and sales tax reporting with an increase in sales. As a result, many companies found themselves needing a tax engine that could help simplify their tax calculation process to not only meet deadlines, but to help reduce their audit risk. Our various e-commerce integrations ensure that calculated rate is consistent across B2B and B2C channels such as mobile, social media, and other online venues. It can also ensure tax accuracy when retailers take their business on the road. There's clearly a lot of value here for tax pros in terms of reduced business risk, improved audit performance, and higher tax accuracy. So when thinking about tax and e-commerce at a very high level, there are two main types of indirect tax: sales tax on the sell side, and then consumer's use tax on the buy side. So with sales tax in the US, you could be liable for the tax based on both where you are purchasing and what you are selling. Sales tax is accountable at every end of the supply chain. So that's the retailer, consumer, or businesses for consuming. There's also value-added tax, or you might hear this referred to as VAT. And that is tax implications are considered at every single step of the supply chain. And then most countries around the globe have VAT. So selling physical and digital goods adds an entire another layer of complexity. When we talk about physical, these are tangible products that go through a supply chain. When we talk about digital goods, we're talking about subscriptions, software as a service, music streaming, audiobooks, where there's no supply chain present. For digital goods and services, the consumer is taxed based off of where the service is being performed, so the billing location or the service location. And both physical and digital goods have very different tax complexities when it comes to selling online. So the next time you place an online order, whether it's physical or digital goods, you can now have a better understanding of the behind-the-scenes tax processes that are in motion. That's all the time that we have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm excited for our next episode together.